So Perplexity just introduced Perplexity Computer, which is essentially a virtual machine that is going to be your assistant, kind of like OpenClaw, but from Perplexity.
Command AI.
You can give it any sort of task, and it has access to all of the best models. It can decide what models to choose for what tasks and just do it for you. That is like the tasks are things like creating a website or a web app. It can run like for hours at a time. You can, kind of like OpenClaw, you can sleep and just before sleeping give it a task. It can collect data, it can do analysis and do a bunch of things like this. So it's pretty cool, but it's not exactly like something that I would expect Perplexity to do, but they've done it and I've heard a lot of good things about it. So, but before we go on, this is something that you need to have the $200 subscription for to use it. So it is quite expensive, but that makes it to be kind of on the same boat with Claude Code, with ChatGPT, like the pro subscription that you can have. And this one can do significantly more, and it does it all in the cloud. I talked to Christian from the community. He uses Perplexity Computer and he has been building tons of apps, and he showed me the results. They were quite good. They were like quite good because it's using Claude Code, it's using Codex, whatever it needs. It takes the model and uses it. So Perplexity Computer operates the software stack just like a human coworker by using a computer. It reasons, it delegates, it searches, and it has memory, it remembers. So that's why it's like like an OpenClaw service all set up for you, and it can just go on and do these things by having access to a browser and a computer. So that's pretty cool that they are doing, and I don't know if you have much to add here.
I mean, it's cool. I don't know whether it's worth $200. Like, what do you think? What do you? Where are they getting that from?
I think it is worth $200 a month. So for people who've been like, there are people paying Claude Code and Codex $200 a month. And the thing with Perplexity Computer is that you can use different models, and it's just much easier to set up. You just log in, you have a dashboard, and you build different projects. Where with these other tools, you are dealing with the CLI, or you are dealing with buggy apps. I mean, the Codex app is very buggy for me. The Claude Code is taking too much RAM. So it has these like nice features, and the fact that it runs on the cloud, I think it is worth it for somebody who wants to build a few apps, or just, you have like a specific use case, you need to build it, but you don't want to be involved with it too much, or you don't want to have it only locally. This builds it and hosts it for you. It pushes it to GitHub. It kind of just takes care of everything, where if you build it locally, you do need to have a kind of like a technical level of knowledge, or deal with the models to help you set up your local server and run it every time and things like that, and host it and choose a hosting platform. This does it all for you.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Command AI.